As per latest information, the Aeronautical Development Agency will submit the preliminary design review of twin-engine deck-based fighter jet to the government and the Indian Navy by June this year, after which files will be moved to New Delhi for official clearance for the grant. The wing-folding design mechanism has already been finalized, and as the TEDBF will share all major critical line replaceable units with the AMCA that have already passed critical design review, so the TEDBF prototype is expected to be rolled out in time. The project is expected to get approval from the Cabinet Committee on Security in later half of 2023, and another 1.5 years for the first prototype, and it should start induction in the Navy by 2031. At the ongoing LAAD Defense and Security International Exhibition 2023, India has offered its Brahmos supersonic cruise missile to the Brazilian military and Algerian Air Force. Brazil has expressed in procuring Brahmos NG missile for its Gripen fighter jet and nuclear attack submarines, while Algeria operates 70 Su-30 aircraft, and integration of Brahmos air launch missile will give them superior firepower and strike abilities. The Indian Armed Forces have reduced their requirement of MQ-9B high-altitude long-endurance drones from 30 units to 18 units, and now each of the three services will get 6 drones, and reports indicate that the deal will be signed by end of this year. The Indian Navy already operates 2 unarmed reconnaissance versions of MQ-9B drone that were leased in 2020, and the lease will expire in 2024. Amid the delay in Project-75I, India is evaluating the German proposal for a government-to-government deal for the local production of 6 next-generation diesel-electric submarines. It is estimated that the overall cost of the Project-75I to build 6 advanced submarines of 3,000 tons will be around $8 billion, which is a sharp rise from the 6 Scorpion submarines of 1,800 tons built under Project-75 at $3.75 billion. The German offer has no room for the integration of Indian systems like DRDO-developed air-independent propulsion system. Meanwhile, the South Korean KSS-3 submarine offer will have a slightly lower production cost of around $900 million per unit with transfer of technology, and might cost around $1 billion per unit when manufactured locally in the country. Indian private sector firm MKU Limited has announced that it has delivered over 15,000 advanced body armor to military police of Sao Paulo in Brazil. That takes the total number of units delivered to military police of Sao Paulo to over 30,000 in the past few years. MKU Limited has also showcased its helmets and armor solutions as well as advanced sighting solution for MK-19 grenade launcher in Brazil's LAAD Defense and Security Exhibition 2023. The Indian Air Force Chief flew a sortie in a pilatus PC-7 Mark II trainer, to mark the completion of more than 2 lakh flying hours in a decade of operations by the aircraft. Indian Air Force operates 78 PC-7 Mark II aircraft, which are equipped with glass cockpit, modern navigation aids, and is used for ab initio training of flight cadets at the Air Force Academy. Russia's space agency has said that it has started talks with India for the technology transfer of Russian RD-191 semi-cryogenic rocket engines to Indian industry, and this technology transfer will enable Indian industries to manufacture the Russian origin rocket engine in India. Russia is looking to India as a new market, because it is no longer able to export rocket engines to the United States.
Omar dropped it.